Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately. I can barely find.
Hello guys, and welcome back to episode 12 of Vlogmas. Now I have just showered my hair and done my skincare, but before I'm going to continue with my makeup, I'm going to drop off the Vintage Fever bags. Yeah, let's go. Now I'm going to meet her, so yeah. Hello guys, so now it is some couple of hours later, and yeah, it has been a very hectic day. First I started with dropping off the bags from Vintage Fever, and after that I got ready and went out for a lunch with a friend of mine, and yeah, after that I came back home, and then we went out again because my boyfriend wanted to go out, so therefore we went straight out. And after that I came home, had dinner, and then we went to the grocery store, and now it is some hours later, so we have watched some TV, just chilled because I'm very tired today. But I haven't talked that much with you guys today, and I have gotten quite a few new pieces from Vintage Fever, so I thought that I'm going to just show them quickly to you guys. So the first bag is this Chanel Wok. It is a vintage piece, and we also have this Loewe bag, and then we have this Fendi bag. It is a very beautiful Fendi bag. And over to another bag that I wore today is this Gucci Jackie bag. It is a very beautiful bag with canvas and leather trim. Another bag that I have on loan now is Chanel Jumbo. Very big, but I think it is a very beautiful bag. And I think my favorite bag that I currently have on loan is this Bottega Veneta Jodi medium vintage bag. So it isn't a new Jodi design, but very beautiful, and I really enjoyed using it today because when I got home I swapped the Gucci Jackie for this one. And the last item that I have from Vintage Fever this time is this cadena. I haven't had a cadena before, but I know it is a trend kind of in the Hermes collector community. So the cadena that I have on loan is this gorgeous elephant cadena in silver. I will try it on my bag and see if I like it. I have thought about getting a cadena myself, but I haven't really pulled the trigger on it. So yeah, I'm very curious to see how it will look on my bag, but I will let you guys know what I think about it. And I also shopped a little bit while I was in the city today. So I went and bought something at Loewe and also something from Celine. But I think I will show you that in the next vlog. So I will do that early tomorrow. But it is something that I have wanted for a long time, and finally I checked it off my list. And yeah, I'm very satisfied with it and I cannot wait to open it, but I will wait. And the lunch with my friend was very nice. We ate caviar, and actually I haven't liked caviar before, or I thought that I didn't like caviar. But now quite recently I have started more and more to like it, because first I thought it was very weird, but now I kind of like the taste. But yeah, we had a long lunch, as we always do when we are meeting, because we have a lot of things to talk about. Tomorrow I don't have any plans in the city, so I'm just going to stay here, I think. And I'm a little bit thankful about that, because I have so much going on now with editing the vlogs and also vlogging every day and finding content for you guys. But I think on Sunday or Saturday I will go to the Christmas market. I think probably Sunday will be the best day to go, because it isn't that many people there on Sundays compared to Saturday. I'm very tired as usual because it is late in the evening, and actually a friend of mine who I was a lot with in Paris is coming this weekend, so I'm going to meet up with her to have a lunch or something here. I cannot wait for it because I have missed her so much. And next week I'm also going to attend an event, so that will be interesting. And yeah, there is a lot of things happening now. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Vlogmas, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to do so you don't miss the Loewe and Celine unboxing tomorrow. And if you're not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye!